It's so excited. Look at these. Daddy, let me show you which one I want, Daddy. I want the cat. I want the cat. I want spider. I wanted this one. This is the one. No, it's not that way. It's this way. No, we were playing vampire. We were playing vampire.
Okay, so Anaya can't decide which one she wants, so let's look to the stencil book. So this one is Baba Jack. Yes or no?
No.
No? Okay. Hoot Hoot Hooray.
No. Yeah.
You want this one? Let's see what else is there. That Jump Scare.
No.
No?
Not Jump
Okay.
Scare.
This one is Catitude.
Not.
No? Boo Crew?
No.
No? What about the Creepy Spider?
No.
Okay. Ooh, what about the witch? It's called Moon Surf. No?
No.
Okay, that was the last one. Okay, so
I'm going with Hoo Hoo Hooray.
Hoot Hoot Hooray, is that
Yep.
is that what you're going with?
Yes, he's so cute.
Okay. So Anaya and Amira are gonna use these stencils to carve their pumpkins. Okay, let's go. So here's Amira's. Amira picked Hanging Out. That's what Amira's gonna carve. Here you go.
I'm back. When are we gonna do it?
Right now.
So first thing you gotta do is you gotta carve the bottom of the pumpkin.
Okay, how? Okay. Okay. Wow. It's looking so great. It's looking so great. It's going so good.
You'll take all the insides out first, right?
It smells good.
What does it smell like?
It smells like pumpkin. That's what it smells like, pumpkin. The pumpkin smells like pumpkin.
Okay. I'm going to bring a plastic bag for all the gunk. Try not to rip it. There's the plastic wrap.
Hold it over here.
Anaya's going to help to hold down the plastic wrap.
Oh, it's hot.
That's fine.
I'm gonna wrap it all around just so that it holds it nice and tightly in place.
Oh my.
And that's all the plastic wrap I have right now, so I really hope that it's enough for both of our pumpkins. Yay! Both of Anaya and Amira's pumpkins. Anaya brought the tape.
Yeah. Yep.
So we're all done with the plastic wrap
Okay.
and the stencils, and now we're all ready to go. Let's start carving.
Okay.
Poke it in. Poke it in.
No, deeper. That's number 1. So that one's good.
So they're all numbered, and we just got to follow the number sequence. So we start with 1. That's what Anaya's doing right now. Yeah.
2.
So the number 3s are what you do last.
Don't move it.
You start with number 1 first.
Go back with number 3.
Don't get it in there.
Okay, now it's my
Okay,
turn.
Mia,
my
one
turn.
sec.
Ow.
Oh, okay.
It's stuck. I want to do this out.
Get to that one now.
Hey friends, so here we are on day 2 of our pumpkin carving video. We had to end the video last night before we finished it because my camera's battery died and Anaya had to get to bed because she had school the next day.
Yeah.
And so here we are on part 2 of the pumpkin carving video. So let's continue carving our pumpkins.
Yeah.
Whatever you want to do.
I'm doing the pumpkin right now. Right now and then I'll be cutting it.
Okay, so this is Anaya's first time carving a pumpkin by herself.
I can't believe I can do it.
And it's not easy. So we're gonna try, and Daddy's gonna help. Daddy's helping Anaya and Amira carve their pumpkins.
I can't wait to see how it looks. Oh, so cool. You know it. Right?
Okay, so Amira, do you want to try carving your own pumpkin?
Maybe.
Do you want to try it?
Yeah.
Okay. Daddy's gonna let you try it now.
Oh, I'm using all my back.
Do you want going in?
Nope, I only made a solid. Let me try. Yeah, it's not cut here, that's why. Maybe this will cut. It's not cut here, that's why it's not coming out.
Okay, watch your fingers. Okay. Okay, so we're back and we're done with the carving, and now Anaya and Amira are just gonna push in the pieces because we're all done cutting them,
Come on, let me do it.
carving them.
Daddy.
No, grab it from here.
Okay, let me do it.
I'll just see if it'll come out. Oh no.
There goes the eye. Is that the eye?
No, these are the eyes. And this is the nose.
Clean it up a little bit.
Yep, I need help.
Okay, so here's Amira's. Amira's is a little bit easier. Let me undo.
I'll take it out.
Not cut properly. Good.
Let me try.
Wait.
Going. Look how's mine going.
What about the eyes?
Ooh.
Keep on.
Poke in the eyes.
Do they have to be poked in?
Nope.
No, they don't have
No,
to be
they're
poked
supposed to be that
They're
way.
supposed to be this way. Oh no.
You like that
Why is that coming
guy?
out then?
Okay, just what's that?
Let's
Let's
see.
see Anaya's.
Look how I'm going. It's supposed to light up in night.
Ooh.
It lights up in night. Yep. That's how mine's doing. Mine?
Did you take it out of my mouth?
Yep.
Is there any pieces left?
Nope. That was actually easy. There were only 4 pieces. Let me try. Let me do it. Can I do it, Daddy, since it's my pumpkin?
Yep. You can do it.
Careful, but just clean it out now.
Which one?
Should we do the anything clean?
Yep, because we want the light to go to.
Okay, so this is them all carved. Now we're gonna take it and light it up to see how it looks in the dark. Let's do it. Okay, we're ready to turn all the lights off and reveal our carved pumpkins. Let's turn the lights off, Mia. You ready? Let's check it out.
I can see it. I can't see anything. And look how cool my pumpkins are.
So this is the end result of our carved pumpkins. This is what Anaya and Amira carved along with Mommy and Daddy's help.
Yeah, and we found the moon up. Oh, wow.
Anaya, what do you think of our carved pumpkins? Do you like it?
Yeah. Hey, friends. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like our video, give us a big thumbs up. Yes. See you in the next video. Bye. Hey, friends. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. One